In this technique video, we present a revision endoscopic proximal hamstring repair with suture staples and a bioinductive patch augmentation. A primary posterior viewing portal is created in the gluteal crease. An accessory superolateral portal is created for our working portal. An extensive ischial bursectomy is performed and neurolysis of the posterior femoral cutaneous and sciatic nerves are performed. We then turn our attention to the prior repair, and the interval between the hamstring and adductor magnus tendon is created. This reveals a large tear of the undersurface of the distal aspects of the ischial footprint. The prior hardware is then removed and a thorough preparation of the ischial footprint is performed. Our repair is then begun by placing a 1.8 millimeter all suture knotless Q-fix anchor through the superior lateral portal. We next place another anchor through a percutaneous superior medial portal just medial to the ischial tuberosity. We then pass the repair suture from the medial anchor through the shuttling suture of the lateral anchor, as seen here. We then pull the repair suture tight to create the first limb of our staple. This is then completed again with the repair suture from the lateral anchor passed through the shuttling suture of the medial anchor. The repair suture is again tightened to create the second limb of our staple. Both repair sutures are then sequentially tightened, providing broad tendon to bone compression across the tendon footprint. This is again completed more distally with the lateral anchor again placed through the superolateral portal and a medial anchor placed again percutaneously through a more distal medial percutaneous portal. This allows for better placement of the medial anchor over the footprint. We again pass the repair suture from one anchor through the shuttling suture of the other anchor twice, and then pull tension to provide broad tendon to bone compression. Our suture ends are then cut, and we assess the integrity of our repair. We note that there is secure fixation of this undersurface tear with restored stability of both the hamstring and adductor magnus tendons. A distal accessory portal is then created to facilitate placement of our patch augmentation. The patch is deployed and bioabsorbable staples are used to secure the patch to the tendon origin. This completes our repair and patch augmentation.